Hello, hello, this is Casey with VanTripping.com. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel and watching some of my videos. We're going to take a little break from my expedition truck and camper build videos and take a little time out and spend some time at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest, which was an amazing, fun time. I'm going to show you a few excerpts of photos and videos of some neat things I saw there.
No.
Yep, that's our 15-foot right there.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wow.
So it's an interesting perspective.
That's crazy, yeah. Well, yeah, he was trying to convince me that these things are not much bigger than the van. I was like,
Yeah.
no way.
So check this out. That's our 15-foot that we have right here compared to a Sprinter.
And it's pretty much their nose to nose at the front?
Yep.
I love it. That's great. So it's maybe another almost 2 feet to the back of the box, a little less, maybe like
Just
a foot
with the
and a half.
motorcycle rack, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. See? Like, because partly that's because of the cab forward design, right? On a cab forward chassis.
This is part of the bunk.
This work.
And then you pull down and then out. There you go.
Yeah, nice.
This
Oh,
is
that's
so
a bunk.
nice.
Yep.
This is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see that.
Wow, it's bad. Yeah.
And it's two. Okay, it is two.
Cute little
And you get these little
kitty
magnet
balls.
ones. Oh my god, it is cute, isn't it?
So cute.
They have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old.
Oh.
That's beautiful. And these are storage down here. And then you see you got these nice integrated stairs. And this bamboo is strong enough, huh? This bamboo ply is strong enough? Like
Yep.
you don't have to reinforce it to...
It's very resilient to climates, and it's also a sustainable wood, so it's very fast growing. Lightweight.
This one here looks like this is at least a full queen. It is a full queen? It's a king. Okay, it looks bigger, yeah. Wow. That's pretty sweet. I know, isn't that nice?
Nice.
It's super nice, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah, check that out.
Wow.
So the toilet room.
A little different from the Sprinter.
That's really nice. Oh, I see. And this is framing. This is a structure here for the steps.
Yep.
That's built on there. And then the question I was going to ask you, Spencer, is this like a track here or something to
yeah, so
close
there's
this
actually
off?
doors that you can close off the bedroom area.
That's what this is here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's great. I was going to say, how do you do that? So this just slides over?
Yeah.
Or is it? Okay.
I think it might be actually powered in the... I think there's a switch further in the bed area for it.
Powered, huh? So have like a little actuator or something here to push that?
So I haven't played with it yet.
Okay. Yeah, this must be the fridge.
Closet, actually.
Oh.
Nice. Wow.
That's big.
Space.
That's big.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful. And the Fusion, that's video? Is that right?
Audio.
Or it's audio. Okay.
But the iMac will play through the same system. So
Okay.
if you're watching movies or shows on the iMac, it'll go through that.
Okay. A lot of storage. And this is just a, oh, that's a bunk
Yep.
in there. Okay, and then more storage. And then here we got the fridge.
This is your main fridge.
Main fridge, okay.
And then there's another fridge freezer underneath the bencher.
That's more of like a longer term storage, kind of. That's what the intent of that. Like a chest freezer or something?
Yep.
Or just, yeah, okay.
It's a Dometic
Right.
unit.
Right.
And then this makes into a bed as well, so you could sleep 6
Right.
in this layout. We also do a high bed, so you could do sleeping for 8 if you wanted to.
Wow. Oh
And that would be like a lowering bed from the ceiling up here?
Yep.
Okay. So, and this is like this electrically lowers down.
Correct.
Right, so you can lower it down to those cleats there, and then this all turns into those I guess those cushions come over it or something and
Yep.
all fit in, yeah.
So in our 15-foot unit, our daughter sleeps in the booth, and we have the rear bed.
Yeah, nice. And you got batteries and water tanks and stuff in here, is that
Yeah,
kinda...
water tank is at the front. So this one is, I think, right about 180, 200 gallons.
Wow.
And then the battery bank is on the right side here. We have 1,600 amp hours of lithium in here on 24 volt.
Right.
And 2.2 kilowatts of solar on the roof.
Okay, that's a lot. A
Yeah.
heck of a lot. So the roof's pretty well covered
7
then.
solar
Yeah.
panels on the
Yeah,
roof.
yeah.
Wow.
Right, that's a heck of a lot. I know.
So is there any lounge area out there?
No, that's all covered. But the
Okay.
roof rack on top of the cab, there's storage boxes up there, but you can pull the boxes off and sit up there.
Okay. Cool.
I see he's got a little lip here on the counter too to kind of keep stuff from sliding off.
Yep.
Right, or water from
That's
dripping off,
smart,
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one has a dish storage system in it as well.
Ooh,
How does that work?
neato.
And so you have all your
That
Right.
must pull out. Those
Right.
dishes, do they
Yep.
pull out somehow?
so it's just
You just pop that out,
Yep.
and then you can just grab a dish by dish.
Yep.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I see you guys love magnets, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magnets
just-
and Velcro.
Yep.
Really nice. Yeah, yeah. Because you were saying these panels are Velcroed up or something, right?
They're either Velcroed or glued.
Yeah. Okay. That is really gorgeous. This whole thing, this folds up, that folds up like that.
Yep. And then it slides into the box.
Yeah. And how do you? So has it got its own little water tank, or do you actually have plumbing that connects back?
So it all connects here. We have exterior water port here.
Oh, you bring a temporary
Hot and cold
hose
water.
over to here.
And it plugs into the bottom. There's ports underneath here.
Okay.
And then your electrical
That
is
is
this
for
plug.
safety and
Plugs
case
inside.
plug it in
powers
down there.
the grill and the induction.
Got it. Okay. So it's like a twist lock connector.
The
Yeah.
kitchen, I want to say it's like around 7,000.
That would be worth every penny.
It is. That's
This
this along with the motorcycle rack are my favorite options.
It's kind of it's gorgeous, isn't it? Right. Oh, look at that. Go ahead, hop in. Go for it. Yeah, Oh my gosh, that is so neat. That is really cool. I mean, a lot of people could really use something like this in their vehicle, right? Where they don't have as much space.
Right. That's what it's for.
Yeah,
Saving that space.
that is really cool.
This clamps together right there. And then down here we've got a second clamp.
We're the chosen it's so tight. We want to bring it together a panel of experts. And
That is great.
There you go.
Us wanting to
And of course the pedals were pop off too.
And I was so blessed to have my camper van as a showcase vehicle in the DIY area, along with all these other amazing rigs from other do-it-yourselfers, and had just a great time hanging out with them, sharing experiences, travel stories, and so forth. And even I was very privileged to be able to do some interviews with some of these amazing travelers that you see here, who have so many great adventures, stories, and life learned lessons to share, that I'm going to be able to share those with you in some full video interviews to come soon from my experiences with some of these people hanging out. And so that was really a privilege, and I hope you enjoyed just some experts here from Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. Hey, that looks awesome.
So you know, your infills, yeah, it's got kind of industrial look. I'm gonna do it. We're building another house. I'm gonna do it in the fucking house.
Boom, boom. Yeah, right.
So
durable, it's inexpensive, and you can do this, right? Stick everything to it. It's like one big refrigerator.
So, you know, you take your 6 panel out. Boom, it's out of the way. Cutting board.
Right.
Yeah, the cutting board stuff there.
I like the shelf up here too. That's really nice. That's sweet.
So
that is really nice. Was this a countertop that was in here before?
Nope, this is a Home Depot countertop.
Oh, gotcha. Right? Yeah, it's like a cheaper butcher box stuff, and then you got these nice leather pulls, and it's all soft close, right? Drawers, and they hold fine. You find
they have, but you know what? Really, we had one overloaded.
Yeah, and then
it came out and it bent the tracks. The bed's all switched out. But you know, I do a bit of woodworking. I got the high strength magnets.
Right.
For the Berkey. So we put the Berkey across there.
You just bungee it over there.
Bungee it on there. Right.
And it holds. That's great.
And yeah, like because I can do a little shelf. Yeah, go for it. Open it. These used to open the other way, and it was friggin' annoying.
Oh, right? they come out this way, and you'd be like right in your face when you're trying to come through. Right.
So I just flip those off.
Yeah.
You know, put a shelf in there. It makes it
exactly so much more usable.
You know.
Amazing show at a great venue, and just a beautiful place and a beautiful setting, and with a lot of beautiful, fun overland travelers of all different sorts. So I look forward to my return next time. Thank you again for watching. More coming up on my Expedition Camper Build soon.